Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by choosing 3 target markets and 1 buyer type in each. This narrows effort immediately. Once done, match your product specs, HS code, MOQ, and lead time to each market so you can quote accurately. Make sure pricing is ready in dollars with EXW or FOB terms and a freight estimate to avoid back and forth. Then create a concise 1-page product sheet and a short introductory email template so you can start outreach today. Next, you search trade platforms, chamber directories, trade show attendee lists, and LinkedIn with targeted filters. This produces a practical lead list. While contacting them, verify legitimacy by requesting company registration, trade references, and recent order history so you avoid time wasters. Once verified, score each lead on intent, capacity, and acceptable payment terms, and prioritize the top 10. Then tailor outreach messages and sample offers to the highest scoring prospects to convert interest into negotiations. Finally, you negotiate clear payment and delivery terms, for example, 30% deposit and balance against bill of lading or an LC to protect cash flow. Make sure the contract, commercial invoice, packing list, and insurance are finalized before shipping. These documents speed customs and payment. After dispatch, track the shipment and confirm delivery, then request feedback and a repeat order timeline. If a buyer stalls, escalate by offering a sample order or adjusted payment terms as a troubleshooting step to revive the deal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.